Hi, it's Danny. Thank you for checking out final video 5. Please join in with some rib mobility and working on posture. In fact, just check in for a moment with how you feel up here. You can close your eyes. Do you tend to sink and collapse there? Are you quite full and up and have good postural integrity right up to the top of the ribs? You have breath presence there? Okay. Whatever you find, let's do some exercise to perhaps even further enhance this. Seated or standing, let's weight shift over to the left side. And you're going to lightly push down top hand and bottom hand and flex. Press into the ground. If you're seated, it's your sit bone. If you're standing, it's your feet. Rise up and breathe in. Little traction, lift up. Release, go straight past neutral and press down here. Just give yourself a little squish and weave and play and be very three-dimensional. And we'll get ready to push the ground away and ride that wave and breathe in nearer the top. Little traction of the tissues. Span, space, release one more time, drop down. You can use both hands at the top, both hands at the bottom, either one above or below. But play and push and breathe in and out from here. And then one more time when ready, you've got to push down to rise. Push down near the top, breathe in. Lift up, posture up, release. Neutral. Stand, check in. Close your eyes for a moment. How does your left and right side compare? Sense of integrity of upper ribs and posture. Pectoral width, abdominal tone and length. Breath volume. I'm hoping they're all enhanced on that left side. And we probably should counter that and bring balance here. So let's weight shift to the right foot or right sit bone if you're seated and push down and take a breath or two. Push the wrist. Then it's the ground you push. You push your foot down to rise up. Lift yourself up. Look up. For neutral. Sink. Press in with the hand. Press back with the hand. You can spiral and play there and keep this three-dimensionality. You can push down just beneath your collarbone. When ready, push the ground away to rise. Nice full breath in. Come right up. One more time. Release. Push. Side bend. Forward bend. Rotate. All our dimensions in here in one class. Push down. Rise up. Release back through center. Check back in. Perhaps we'll, one time, push down from the center. Could stagger the stance, perhaps one foot's leading. And both sides together and chest bone. Let's rise up and inhale. And soften maybe another time. Press down, release. Give yourself something to push into. Your feet push, chest rises, breathe in. Release your hands, open up, let's stretch through. This comes back nicely. Shake out a bit. Sit, stand, whatever, check in, eyes can close, listen. How's your posture? How's your tone? How's your fullness? How's your breath capacity? Just a few rib movements and we can really work on enhancing these qualities. Thanks for joining in with this mini series about the ribs. Well done.